Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time for your Eureka Crystal Beads collection for the month of February 2025, and I'm excited. So for those of you who are not familiar with their collections, this is not a subscription. This is a beautifully and carefully and lovingly curated collection of beads, findings, stones, all kinds of beading goodies that they offer on their website, generally monthly. Sometimes they skip a month or so, but it's generally there, and they have a whole bunch of past collections some are still available, so you can check those out as well. So before we unbox, I'm just going to tell you I'm putting a link in the description box below the video to this collection and the collection page, and also don't forget to check out their newly revamped design center. So they've got all kinds of things on the design center, many of my tutorials and others, and free patterns and all kinds of resources that you might need or want to take a look at. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box to their design center as well, so you can take a look. So let's open this up. Okay, so I looked at the package, but I didn't open it yet. I just, looked at the picture. So here, I've taken it out of the bag, and this is what it looks like. And this is called, I love opening these, Berry Frost Beads Collection. So let's take a look. So look at that beautiful picture of these beautiful berries on a tree that like winter, but yet there are beautiful berries. I love color in the winter because where I live, there is, very little. So let's open it up. I'll just pull everything out and then we'll take it. So here's our beautiful picture, of course. And then we have the list of everything. And before that, here's a little paragraph. An inspiration paragraph. I'll get my glasses on. I'll just look at it and maybe read a line from it. The world is asleep and quiet, wrapped in icy blues and soft whites. Oh yes, every detail sharp and still in the winter chill. I love it. It just really sets the mood. So I'll let you read the rest yourself. Let's open up the list. So here it is, Berry Frost Collection. So everything is in a category. So we have seed beads, Czech glass, Krakowski crystal, Preciosa crystal, Chinese crystal, and findings. And every item is identified by its SKU number. That's right here. So you can always type this in their search bar on their website, and this item will come up. Should you need to order some more or look at a color or such, I do that all the time. They have free U.S. shipping on all orders over $39.99, and they do offer all the beads separately, individually on the website as well, so you can always check that out as well. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, I've taken everything out of the bag and I arranged everything so that you can really get a look at what's inside here before we look at each bead individually. And look at these gorgeous icy colors. So the icy blues, look at that pearl, the beautiful seed beads, all in these beautiful finishes. There are mattes and frosted and shiny, so lovely. And I really love those copper findings. So let's get a look at everything close up. Okay, we'll start with the first two seed beads, and we have a Miyuki 15. I'm not going to take these out of the tube because we have used these and they're just beautiful. I don't want to mix them all up. So we've got a 15 Miyuki and an 11, and this is the color I have used so much in the past and started using again, and this is the metallic bronze. Love that bead. Let's give you a super close up. Gorgeous. Next up we have this gorgeous Toho, and this is an 11 seed bead, and this color is Ceylon Glacier, and it does look just like a glacier, doesn't it? Oh, that's so icy. Love it. Beautiful. Next up we have this Toho 80, and this is transparent rainbow frosted crystal. So icy. I look out my window and this is what I see. Actually, I do. I see sort of brown and black trees and lots of snow. We have this beautiful Toho Treasure. So this is a cylinder bead. So snow-lined crystal. So really have a snow theme. Just beautiful and so, icy. Love it. Next up we have the Czech glass, and we've got a 2mm round druck bead. You get 100 beads here. Isn't that beautiful? It's like a cyan color. Gorgeous. And then we have a 6mm round druck. Look at that beautiful cherry red. That is so pretty. What did you get of that? 6mm strand of 50. And then we have look at that fire polish. That's really beautiful. That is a 6mm strand of 25. And this is a beautiful AB. Does that have the name on it? It looks like Crystal AB to me. Crystal AB. There we go. Gorgeous. So we have a Super Duo 2.5 millimeter, and then you get a 2.5 inch tube, and that is really a beautiful sort of matte or like a white luster. Doesn't have the color on the tube, unless I lost my tube. Really pretty, like snow. Next up, we have one of my favorite shapes of Czech glass, and that's the ginkgo leaf bead. I love this. This is so pretty. I love the color luster opaque blue, and I love all the luster finishes on so many of the beads. It just reminds me of like waking up in the morning here in New England, and you see this in the winter, and the trees are just glazed with this frost. It's beautiful. Okay, next up we have the Krakowski crystal, and I kind of put it by color. I love these pearls. They're so pretty. Do they have a color on them? Let's see. I don't see the color on them, but look at that gorgeous, that luster blue color. Oh, that is so pretty. And look at these beautiful chatons. These are 4 millimeter pearls, by the way. And then you've got these 8 millimeter chatons. Look at that pretty color. That's so gorgeous. So icy blue. Look at the sparkle on those. Krakowski teardrop shaped stones. These are you get two 10 by 14 millimeters. And aren't these beautiful? It looks like light cyan to me. Look at the glow on those. So pretty. Look at this beauty. This is a 13 by 18 millimeter teardrop Krakowski. And that also looks like it's in light cyan. And look how pretty that is. I love crystals. They're just so pretty. Next up, look at this little strand of Preciosa 3 millimeter bicones. So pretty. You get 42 of them. Actually, it's a little bigger than I thought. But they are so gorgeous. I wish you could like really catch the sparkle of these. There you go. Gorgeous crystal AB. So we have some Chinese crystal and 3x2 rondelles. And you know, these are some of my favorite beads. I use these all the time. I just love them. You get a strand of 42 and like that pretty ruby cyan. I'm not sure what the color is. And look at this one. Look at this gorgeous white luster on this one. Look at that sparkle on there. I don't know if my lights are washing it out, but they're definitely very, very sparkly. So you have Gleamcraft ball and socket clasps, round 8 millimeter. You get 2 sets, so like so. And then we have a crescent ear wire. Oh, these are pretty. Let me pop these out. Crescent hook with loop, 19 millimeter, 1 pair. So that's pretty. Love those. Love the copper. Next we have tiara cast. These are links. They're Oasis stitch in links. You get 2 of them, so you can just stitch through here. Really pretty. Nice pair of earrings. And I love this button, tiara cast button. It's a bamboo button. And I have used those before. I have them in my stash. Love. Tibetan style flat round beads, 8 millimeter pack of 12. And that's cool. See how it's like a... It's really like a rondelle. I consider anything like a flat round as being a rondelle. Those are really, really pretty. Okay, there you have it. Here's Eureka Crystal Beads February offering for 2025. And this is the Berry Frost collection. So if you love these colors, or if you know someone who loves these colors, what a gift, huh? This is such a perfect gift for the beader. I just think it's wonderful. You can just go through the collections that they have available, and you know, you'll see some color theme that you know that somebody you know loves. So I'll link it down below. I'll link all the info down below as well. Don't forget to check out their newly revamped design center. Many of my tutorials are there, so you can go take a look at that as well. So I want to thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.